Uma ibandla lingazi ukuthi umkhathi ubhilonga kulo, kunabantu abazokhontrola umkhathi bethatha
There are
inqumo.
people who will rule these territories and take decisions upon them.
Kanti sengiyabona ke manje uJesu uma ekhuluma nebandla,
It's as if I imagine it as
athi
Jesus
umuntu
spoke to
kumele
the church,
ukukhuleka
saying the
ngaphezulu.
man is supposed to
And
pray
simele
without
ukuthandaza
ceasing.
singakhathali.
We are supposed to
Emva
pray
kalokho
without
wasebanikeza
ceasing.
umfanekiso.
And after that,
Uthi
we are
kwakunejaji
illustration
edolobheni thizeni.
in a
Uthi
certain
lalingamesaba
town who was
uNkulunkulu.
not afraid of God.
Uqala wethatazani ngaphezulu.
He said, pray without ceasing.
Izathi ngoba kunejaji elingamesaba
Reason being, there
uNkulunkulu.
is a city that does not
Ijaji
fear God.
umbuso obusa indawo
This
ethile.
judge is a
So uma
territorial
engamesaba
spirit
uNkulunkulu kusho
that does
kuzoba
not fear
namathenda
God.
afana ngabaye ebandleni ngaye ngoba kunejaji elingamesaba
The
uNkulunkulu
church-
lizophambanisa
But
izinto.
because of this judge who fears not, he will make this not
Ukuze
correct.
kungenzeki lokho,
So this not happen,
nimele ukuthandaza ngaphezulu.
you are to pray without ceasing.
Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi umkhathi
I want
uyingozi
you to be
kangakanani.
aware of the territorial
Uma
spirit.
ufundele lo verse wehla,
If you've read this verse
Usathi
going
uJesu,
down, and then Jesus says,
kazi uma indodana yomuntu
I
ibuye
wonder
emhlabeni,
if the Son of Man returns to
iyokufumana yini ukukholwa
earth, will
kuba.
he get the
Wayabuza
help and
lo
the
ukuthi
faith?
the principalities
Because of
uma
the
ebamba izinto
principalities,
zingafiki kubazalwane,
holding back the
abazalwane
things of his
baphelelwa
children,
ukukholwa.
and you lose faith.